Go.
Hey, look, you know, all the years I've been doing stuff like this, I've never been able to justify buying a table saw. I do some ripping sometimes, but I do it with my circular saw. And I want to show you a really nice trick that a really good carpenter showed me one time. And that's how to use the guide on my circular saw. So I need a bunch of strips that are 1 1/16 inches wide, okay? So I'm gonna mark down this board 1 1/16, and this is just overkill and to show you what I'm doing and how it works. I sharpen my pencil real sharp too, so I can mark this very precisely. So I marked it a couple places to get my 4-foot level here. Mark this line really lightly. Because marking this line is really not important. I just want you folks to see that it's really going to work. It is important down there, and you'll see why in a second. So here we go. Oops, use the wrong end of the pencil. Try that with your saw sometime. All right, so here's the part the carpenter showed me. Make sure your blade doesn't go well into that. I mean, you're going to want to make sure you're not cutting that 2x4 completely off. So what I'm going to do is pinch my finger here right on the table of this so I don't weave, all right? And there's my guide, that line right there. And I want to stay on that line right there. So what I'm going to do is cut, and I want to make sure my blade is just on the far side of that line. Okay, so now I'm in far enough that my saw is going to stay there, and I can take my guide tighten it down, and I'm in exactly the right spot to run the rest of the way down this board and have a board that's exactly 1 1/16 inches long. Make sure you hold on to your saw really tightly now, because with it sitting in there and you start it up, it can kick back at you. So this is kind of a dangerous thing, but if you're careful, you can do it. Hold on. Look where we are, right on the other side of that line. It's a perfect cut all the way down. There you go. 1 1/16. My name's Keen. Hope you subscribe to my channel. I do lots of little videos like this to save you time and save you money. Thanks.